Alright, here's a video about gonna be doing the Ammo6 homemade slugs in 68 caliber from homedefense24.com, and these have a 12.7 millimeter steel bearing in the tip. It's just slightly covered in black wax, so you can't really see it, but there's probably barely a millimeter wax over top of the tip of the bearing. But anyway, these are about 10 grams to the ones I made in the video in the Ammo6 mold. And yeah, we're gonna give them a run right now and see up against the plywood. Alright. Turn this chronograph on. Gas up the marker. Okay, let's see what we get here. One 377. 420. 422. 417. Empty. All right, turn this off. Oops. Get rid of that. Get extra gas. Okay, the bottle screws right out. Let's go look at that damage. Ooh. That's the sheet in behind. Yeah, so one of them hit down here. It didn't quite go through, but something happened. The spring, I gotta fix the spring. I need a tighter spring in there. I gotta do some file work on the tip of the barrel. Either way, I can't really explain it, but the barrel sometimes isn't coming back in and meeting the magazine, so I'm sure it loses a big gust of fucking pressure like that. So I'm just gonna go back and rework that. This is about the third time I noticed this happening, but with that kind of power, we already know it should be going through. So the fact that this one didn't come through, it tells me it's the barrel. And it's that spring and all in that area. I'm going to go back and rework it. But all these ones, fucking no problem. Yeah, to get through an inch of plywood takes a lot of power, man. And these are 2 half-inch sheets. But, let me see here. Yeah, so it almost went through. Oh, I see what happened. Oh, never mind. This one did go through, because look. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look, there's a hole back there. See it? So what happens is the slug hit, and the bearing came out of the bearing and continued to go right through the other one. Holy shit, that was probably that 500 FPS one, man, that wild number. Because none of the other ones seemed... Oh yeah, they did go through. Kind of. Let me see. Yep. Yeah, so they went right through. Holy shit. So the skirting got stopped, the wax skirting got stopped, and they continued to go right through. The bearing just left the skirt and went right through the second one. Wow, that's pretty impressive. Anyways, just a basic test. We were shooting the HDR with the long alloy barrel. That barrel needs a good polishing. I haven't polished them, but it'll probably slide a little bit smoother through if I polish them, because I think it grabs some of the rubs to some of the FPS. But yeah, there you have it, guys. For a second there, I thought they didn't go through, but when I looked through the other side of the wood, look, you can see the hole there. So yeah, they went through both. Full inch fucking plywood. That's insane. Anyways, guys, that's way too much power for less lethal. I wouldn't be shooting somebody with that. That is definitely lethal with a headshot. Yeah, I would not be pointing these at the head, man. I wouldn't even point these at the guy's chest. So, I'd stick into around 50, 55. And 68 cal, maybe 40 Joules tops with the steel bearings and 50 cal. But, yeah, man. Anyways, have a good one, guys. You take care and have fun. Stay safe as always.